In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to curve text in GIMP. By the end, you'll have clean, beautifully curved lettering that hugs any path you design. Open GIMP with a new or existing canvas and make sure your layers and paths dialogues are visible so you can follow along smoothly. We'll start by creating the curve your text will follow. Select the Paths tool or press B on your keyboard. Click once on the canvas to set a starting point. Then click again to place a second point, and while holding the click, drag to shape a smooth curve. You'll see handles appear that let you adjust the bend. If the arc isn't quite right, keep the Paths tool active and move the nodes or their handles until the curve looks the way you want. Think of this as your text's invisible road. Next, switch to the Text tool by pressing T. Click anywhere convenient on the canvas and type your text. In the tool options, choose your font, size, and spacing so it will read clearly once curved. Don't worry about positioning the text layer over the path. The path will take care of the alignment for you. Now in the Layers panel, right-click the text layer and choose Text Along Path. GIMP will project your text onto the curve and create a new path that matches the outline of each letter along that line. If the placement isn't what you expected, undo, refine the path shape or direction with the Paths tool, and try Text Along Path again until it sits just right. To turn that path into actual pixels, create a new layer and set it to be transparent. This keeps your curved text separate from the original text layer and background, so it's easy to edit or recolor later. Switch to the Paths tab, usually next to Layers. You'll see a new path with your letters along the curve. Right-click that path and choose Path to Selection. You should now see a precise marching ants selection tracing your curved text. With the new transparent layer active, pick your color in the toolbox. Use the Bucket Fill tool to fill the selection, or go to Edit and choose Fill with FG Color. Your curved text is now painted cleanly onto its own layer. From here, you can toggle the original text layer off, adjust opacity, add layer styles, or change colors by refilling the selection if needed. If you like, clear the selection to continue working on your design, and that's how you curve text in GIMP with control and precision.